Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Himani, and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, then please consider subscribing. And so I was actually planning to post a video since a very long time, but due to lockdown I couldn't do it because I didn't have any of my equipment with me. And then I was like waiting for the lockdown to get lifted, and it happened, but even after that we were not allowed to go anywhere, so I couldn't get anything. But yes, now we are back with lots of good content coming up, and yes, I'll be posting new videos every Sunday, so do subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. And those of you who have subscribed to my channel after watching my last Myntra haul, thank you very much. It means a lot, even when if you're a new YouTuber and even like 20-30 people subscribe after watching a single video, it means a lot. So thank you so very much. And yes, I'm reading all the comments and I'll make video on you guys, like whatever you guys are suggesting. So yes, stay tuned for that. And okay, so as the title may suggest you, this video is all about like a Nykaa haul, but I think I have two products from Sephora as well, because those products were not available on Nykaa, and actually I was not aware that these products were available on Nykaa. So I first purchased them from Sephora, and then I checked that yes, they are available on Nykaa as well. So without waiting any further, let's just quickly start this video, because this is gonna be a long video because I have purchased a lot of things from Nykaa in past 2 months. So first I'll cover all the product. You know what, let's just start with the two products I got from Sephora. So basically I got these two products, the Pixi Glow Tonic Glycolic Acid Exfoliator Toner, and the second product I got is this Pixi Skin Treat Overnight Glow Serum. Both of these products are working really great on my skin. This one has like very good rating. Even if you search on YouTube and try to get reviews about this product, you'll get a lot of good reviews from many YouTubers. So this is a really good product. Replacement of this product is organic. I think there is one more brand which is organic, but that's not available in India. And Pixi I think launched last year on Sephora, I guess. So this is a really good, if you're looking for a new toner, then definitely you can try this one. I have already finished half of the bottle. So yes, this is a really good toner. And the next product I got is Pixi Skin Treat Overnight Glow Serum. This is, I have oily skin, but this is a little like, it's more on a thicker side. So agar aapko thick serum se problem hai, then don't buy this one, because this is very like rich and thick. But I prefer serums at night, so I don't mind using a heavy serum on my face, because रात में कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है कैसा भी serum हो मेरे face पे. So these are the two products, and these products are really great. I would definitely say go for these products. These are really working nice for my oily skin. Next I got a lot of products of brand Too Faced from Nykaa. So Too Faced is I think this is launched in this year only, and Too Faced is kind of a luxury brand with a very good luxurious packaging. So first product I got from Too Faced is this Too Faced Natural Face. This is a face palette, not eyeshadow palette, and this comes in this kind of packaging. So you just open this box, and in this you get this palette. This is such a beautiful highly pigmented palette. I have not used it, like I think I have used it only once. I was just trying like how does it work. So this is the Too Faced Natural Face palette, and the packaging is super luxurious, as you guys can see. And when you open it, this is how the palette looks like. This is a really good, like this has all the contouring and blush and highlight, everything is there, and they are so pigmented. You cannot just, you know, these kind of palettes you cannot resist using them. So they're really good. They have like 6 I think shades: Starlight, Pink Wing, Sunny Honey, Satin Sheets, Pink Sand, Tropic Like It's Hot. My favorite one is Tropic Like It's Hot. I use this for contouring, and this is really good, highly pigmented. It's so easy to, you know, blend on your face. It's really good, and the packaging is to die for, I guess. I got their foundation and concealer. So I got this Too Faced Born This Way oil free foundation. This is like medium to full coverage foundation, and I got the shade Natural Beige, but I think I have like थोड़ा सा shade में problem हो गया है, because I think इससे जो एक lighter shade होता वो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छे से work करता, but nonetheless I think this will work for me. This is the shade, and this is how the packaging looks like. natural beige, and I think the packaging is super like luxurious. And this is the shade. Again, this is like if you apply a single coat on your face, this will give you medium coverage, but definitely you can build it up to full coverage, and it is a really good foundation. And I think Too Faced products are really I mean, if you're a beginner and but you want to invest in good makeup, then you can definitely get these products, because these are really nice and easy to work with kind of products. Next product I got is Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer, and this is actually super coverage. You just apply a single like coat of it and you'll get full coverage. I got this one in golden beige shade. This really works as a like concealer for me, but I think foundation जो है वो मेरा golden beige में काम कर जाएगा मेरे ऊपर, so I think मेरे को golden beige मंगाना चाहिए. But yes, I do have some light foundations, so I can use them and थोड़ा सा blend करके easily use कर सकते हैं. बहुत ही हल्का सा इसमें मेरे को थोड़ा सा light shade चाहिए, बाकी everything else is just perfect. And this is how the packaging of the concealer looks like. It is a 15 ml bottle, I guess. Yes, and it's like really too much for a concealer. I have never seen any concealer of this size. This is literally, you can just I think I have once used this foundation and मैंने इन दोनों को मिला के भी use किया हुआ है, so they worked really nice. So from that I got this translucent powder. This is okay, so my favorite powder is Maybelline Fit Me powder, but this one is okay, so the difference between the Maybelline one and this one is Maybelline one has some color to it, and जब आप उसको apply करोगे तो आपका face थोड़ा सा I think गोरा दिखेगा, ऐसा कुछ हम बोल सकते हैं. But with this one, this is completely like translucent, so you won't get any color. But yes, it's really good for baking and everything. It's super light, मतलब आपको बिल्कुल, अगर आपका drying skin है then you can definitely try this one, because ये super light है, तो आपको आपके फेस पे हैवी या कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं फील होगा. एंड द गुड थिंग अबाउट दिस, फर्स्ट लेट मी शो यू द पैकेजिंग. दिस इज हाउ द पैकेजिंग लुक्स लाइक. इट्स रियली गुड, एंड दे आई थिंक दे हैव 3 shades in this, but I got the most brighter one, the fairer one. And this is how the packaging looks like, and they have this lid which is really good in terms of like जब आप travel कर रहे हैं तो पूरा ऐसे कुछ spill नहीं होगा और intact रहेगा. तो this is how the powder looks like. Next I got, I think that is, no, that's not it. I got their Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is a really good mascara, and again I have heard great reviews about it. But the only thing is I got this one in smaller size, because mascaras I think मैंने कहीं देखा पढ़ा भी था कि mascara जो होते हैं वो 6 months में expire हो जाते हैं. I don't know इसका expiry कितना लिखा हुआ है after opening it, but mascaras generally 6 months में expire हो जाते हैं, और मैं इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ, तो इसलिए मैंने इसका छोटा साइज़ मंगाया है. And the packaging is simple, I would say. L'Oreal का मेरे पास सेम इसी कलर में और ऐसा ही दिखता हुआ एक मस्कारा है जो कि बहुत अच्छा काम करता है, but I have not tried this one yet, so I'm not sure. Yes, it says 6 months only. तो 6 months में एक्सपायर हो जाते हैं, तो अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ करते हैं then go for a like smaller version of the bigger version, and don't buy the full size one, because they are like expensive. What's the price for this one? I don't remember the price of anything. I'll put the price on the screen. Or thing which I got are these 2 lipstick from Too Faced, and I am loving it. The first lipstick is Chill Pill, which I'm wearing right now. This is such a like brick red kind of color, and I think I'm a fan of Too Faced packaging, honestly, because their packaging is so luxurious. I have never had any lipstick of such packaging. It's really good, like white, golden and everything. And this is where this shows the color of the lipstick, and back side mein you will get the name of the lipstick. So this is a really good lipstick, and this is how it looks like. I've used it a couple of times, and this is the color. I don't know how it's showing on camera, but it is like brick red. It's not that kind of red which is like intimidating and very it's a very subtle red, I would say. And इसकी लिपस्टिक पे ऊपर ऐसे peaches बने हुए हैं, so I think Too Faced is all about peaches and everything. And so that's the first lipstick, And the next lipstick I got is by the name Got Peach. This is again something, it's a very neutral nude shade, and this is how the shade looks like. Again, it has like all the peaches, and this is the name written, Got Peach, and this is the color. Yeah, this is the color. This is more like a brownish kind of nude, but this is a really good nude. I have wore this one as well. Okay, so after that I got one eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution, and this is how the palette looks like. This is a super like good looking packaging and everything. So I think Makeup Revolution is one of the drugstore brand which makes really good like products, I would say, and their eyeshadow palettes are anyway really famous. So I'm gonna show you guys. So these are the colors which we have. It's all like coral kind of colors. I have coral kind of colors हैं, but I think neutral काफ़ी सारे colors हैं, and काफ़ी अच्छा इसमें I mean combination है. I have a few more palettes by Makeup Revolution and the pigmentation is really good. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा expensive नहीं लेने हैं but बहुत सस्ते भी नहीं लेने हैं, because I don't know वो कैसे वर्क करते हैं, तो आप ये Makeup Revolution के आई shadows को definitely try कर सकते हैं. They're really good and not that expensive. I mean if you can spend like 1000 to 1500, then these are really good palettes. Got two pair of eyelashes. So one is Lash Talk OTT Drama and other one is Lash Talk Turn Up the Drama. So these are the two eyelashes. I cannot talk much about it because they are very basic, not basic actually, they have like some element of drama in it, बट ऐसा कुछ ज़्यादा मैं इसके बारे में बता नहीं सकती बिकॉज मैंने आज तक बहुत ज़्यादा आई नहीं यूज़ करी, सो आई कैन नॉट कंपेयर कि ये कैसी हैं, अच्छी हैं, बुरी हैं, जैसी भी है. बट दीज आर द टू आई लैशेज़ आई हैव गॉट एंड येस आई हैव यूज दिस वन, बट अभी ये वाले मैंने यूज़ नहीं किए. Next thing I got are two skincare product, and these are not something which I'm trying for the first time. Actually tried for the first time. One is Clinique Moisture Surge. Anyone who has oily skin, I would highly recommend this particular moisturizer. It's so good, it's so light. आपको फील भी नहीं होगा कि आपने मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ किया अपने फेस पे. ये इतना अच्छा मॉइस्चराइज़र है. इट इज़ एन एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट आई वुड से, बट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ वर्थ एवरी पेनी. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू invest in a good moisturizer which will give you moisturization but won't make you feel like look like ऑयली, यू नो, पूरा ऐसे तेल की खाने बनने का आपका मन है, देन गो फॉर दिस वन. दिस अ रियली गुड मॉइस्चराइज़र एंड ये इकलौता ऐसा मॉइस्चराइज़र है. एक्चुअली इसके अलावा एक और भी है, लॉक्सेटैन का एक और मॉइस्चराइज़र है, वो भी इसी टाइप का है. बट ये दो मॉइस्चराइज़र ऐसे हैं जो कि आप डे टाइम पे, मेरे जैसे लोग डे टाइम पे भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज़ आई कैन नॉट लाइक पुट मॉइस्चराइज़र ऑन माई फेस डे टाइम पे, वरना इतना ज़्यादा ऑयली लगता है मेरा फेस. नेक्स्ट जो प्रोडक्ट है वो है ये क्लिनिक का मॉइस्चर सर्ज I94R Hydro Filler Concentrate. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. It's a really cute like vanity kind of bottle, I would say. मुझे I have never found any eye cream जो मेरे अंडर आइज़ पे या किसी चीज़ पे वर्क करी हो, बट येस दिस इज़ आई थिंक दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट क्रीम आई हैव ट्राइड. बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो नीचे अंडर आई एरिया में डार्क सर्कल्स कम नहीं हुए, बिकॉज डार्क सर्कल्स होने के बहुत सारे रीजंस होते हैं, बट येस जो अंडर आई एरिया है वो थोड़ा मॉइस्चराइज फील होता है और इट डज समथिंग. बट अभी मैं ऐसे एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकती कि एग्जैक्टली ये कैसे वर्क करे, बट इट इज़ अ गुड आई क्रीम. बट आई थिंक यू कैन फाइंड रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ दिस वन. तो मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगी कि आप यही आई क्रीम खरीदो, बट दिस मॉइस्चराइजर इज़ टू डाई फॉर. गो फॉर दिस वन. ओके, next I got 3 nail paints and these are by K Beauty. So this I think ये सबसे पहला प्रोडक्ट है जो मैंने K Beauty से ट्राई किया, because I don't know, I have never felt a need of trying that brand, because मेरे को ऐसा कुछ उसमें बहुत डिफरेंट नहीं मिला है. but I wanted to try their eyeshadow like crayons, but maybe someday. So these are the 3 shades, very basic neutral pastel kind of colors, nothing too fancy about it. Next I got this McCaffeine का coffee foot scrub. I'm using it, it's really good and this is how the packaging looks like. I've used it actually maybe 4 or 5 times, and this is how the bottle looks like. It's a glass bottle which is very heavy and sturdy. It's really, packaging is really good. It comes with a spatula. It's not a spatula, it's a spoon to, you know, get the product out of it, because otherwise पूरा हाथ ऐसे आपको वो करना पड़ेगा, and it's a very raw, like आपको scrub जैसे use करना पड़ता है. You have to just add few drops of water and just rub it and then scrub करना है अपने foot को. So this is how it looks like, and it's a nice product, I would say. Next product I got from, no, this is not the product. Next product I got from McCaffeine is the Choco Body Butter. So actually जब lockdown start हुआ था तो my mom was complaining कि उनका skin बहुत ज़्यादा, you know, dry feel हो रहा था, and so that's why I ordered this Choco Butter. अगर आपके साथ भी same problem है कि आपका skin dry feel हो रहा है, हाथ बहुत dry feel हो रहे हैं, then you can definitely try this one. It's सुपर रिच, मतलब आपको एक दिन में ही डिफरेंस दिखने लग जाएगा, आपकी स्किन मॉइस्चराइज फील होगी. एंड मेरी मॉम को सेकेंड डे पे ही रिजल्ट दिखने लग गए थे, एंड शी रियली लाइक दिस वन. एंड येस, दिस अ रियली गुड प्रोडक्ट. एंड वन मोर थिंग अबाउट दिस इज इट्स एनिमल क्रूएल्टी फ्री, SLS फ्री, एंड दिस इज पैराबेन फ्री, डर्मेटोलॉजिकली टेस्टेड, FDA approved. So this is a really good product. I think McCaffeine ke products are really nice, and they are good quality in terms of packaging and in terms of the quality of the product. What I got from Nykaa is this Nykaa perfume range, and this is, what's the name of this one? Nykaa, I'll provide the link of it and the name on the screen, but this is a really good affordable perfume. I got it for 1440, and it was for 1800. So I think, and this will last you for whole day, and even next day you can smell this perfume on your clothes. So this is a really good perfume. अगर आपको एक बजट में अच्छा long lasting good fragrance वाला perfume चाहिए, then go for this one. And I would not say कि आप exactly यही लो, because they have like 6-7 I think fragrance variety. तो आपको जो भी fragrance पसंद है, you can just check the notes and everything. But yes, these perfumes are extremely long lasting and good quality, like strong fragrances. So you can try for these perfumes अगर आप budget में perfume लेना चाहते हो तो. Next I got 2 lip liners from Nykaa. So I got one in Sweetheart Pink, and second one is Dirty Secret. So these are the lip liners. They're really good basic lip liners. मेरे को lip liner में कभी भी नहीं होता कि मैं ज़्यादा पैसे invest करूँ, तो इसलिए मैंने ये वाले lip liner लिए हैं, because और this one is, ये शेड मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पहनती हूँ, पिंक मरून काइंड ऑफ शेड, तो मैंने इसलिए ये वाला लिया. और अदर वन इज़ अ न्यूट्रल शेड, तो न्यूट्रल भी बहुत ज़्यादा वो करते हैं, तो इसलिए मैंने ये न्यूट्रल शेड मंगाया. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द पैकेजिंग लुक्स लाइक. Apart from this, I ordered this Nykaa Matte Luxe lipstick. This is how the packaging looks like. Actually मैंने इसकी पैकेजिंग के चक्कर में ही इसको ऑर्डर किया था. इसकी पैकेजिंग बहुत ही अच्छी है. केल स्मूथी नाम से है ये लिपस्टिक का शेड, and this is how the color looks like. But I would say I'm not a big fan of this lipstick, because मेरे को ऐसे shiny glossy lipsticks बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है. I like my lipsticks to be very subtle and ऐसे shine ना करें. But ठीक है, पैकेजिंग के लिए लिया था, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. It is their luxe like I mean luxe version. Next I ordered 2 lipsticks by MAC. MAC has recently launched their powder liquid lipstick range. So I got my hands on these 2, and the shade is Burning Love and Sorry Not Sorry. Both shades are really good, and I'm really loving the formula, and I'm loving everything about it, because MAC is anyway my favorite brand when it comes to lipstick, and they make really good lipsticks. So this is the one shade, and the other one is Sorry Not Sorry, which is kind of a neutral shade. So this is how, this is more like a neutral coral kind of shade. So which I got is by Huda Beauty, and the name is Graduation Day. Unfortunately this lipstick came broken. Then I placed a complaint to Nykaa, but they said that they can't do anything because that lipstick is used. Now when I got this lipstick, I just quickly applied it on my lips, and suddenly, like at that very moment, I realized that this is broken. So एंड ऑब्वियसली अगर आप उसको ऐसे बाहर निकालोगे तो वो इतना अच्छे से एडजस्टेड होती है कि वो ऐसा टूटा हुआ तो आपको नहीं पता चलेगा, बट जब आप उसको अप्लाई करते हो तो आपको पता चलता है कि वो टूटी हुई है. तो मेरे को तभी पता चला, बट देन दे सेड कि दिस इज़ ऑलरेडी यूज्ड एंड व्हाट नॉट. तो ठीक है, अभी इसका कुछ हो तो पाया नहीं, तो ठीक है. So this is how it looks like. This is their famous like bullet lipstick, and this is how the color looks like. This is graduation day. Color, formula, everything is really good, but my kismat is not that good. So yeah, and they have like this has like magnetic closing and everything. Okay, now I have just 2 products left. This video is already 19 minutes long. Okay, so the next product I got is this Requel Pit Stop Gel. I am using it for quite a long time. It helps to repair old and new acne spots and scars. तो इसके लिए मैं यही बोलूँगी कि yes, I have seen visible difference on my acne scars, but ऐसे completely ख़त्म नहीं करता है ये, ठीक है, लेकिन visible difference दिखता है आपको. अगर आप इसको रेगुलरली यूज़ करेंगे तो मेरे को लगता है कि आपको डिफरेंस दिखेगा. सो अगर आपके बहुत ज़्यादा एक्ने प्रॉब्लम है या पिम्पल्स हैं या पिट हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें हैं, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस वन. एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी जेल बेस्ड कंसिस्टेंसी, तो इसको अप्लाई करना भी बहुत ईजी है. और इनफैक्ट आप दिन में भी इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो, ठीक है. अगर आपका ऑयली स्किन है तो भी आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. तो दिस इज़ हाउ द कंसिस्टेंसी लुक्स लाइक. सो अगर आप देखोगे तो ऐसे एकदम जेल बेस्ड है, इसमें आपको कुछ भी से यस द फेस शॉप. एंड दिस इज़ देयर सेलेंडुला मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रीम. ये मैंने अपनी मॉम के लिए ऑर्डर किया था बिकॉज मेरी मॉम की बहुत नॉर्मल स्किन है, मतलब नथिंग टू ऑयली और ऐसे सेंसिटिव कुछ भी नहीं है, तो उनका बेसिक जैसा स्किन होता है वैसा है, तो उनके लिए मैंने ऑर्डर किया था. इट्स अ रियली गुड मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रीम अगर आपका ओवरली ऑयली स्किन नहीं है तो, बिकॉज जो इसका कंसिस्टेंसी है वो थोड़ा सा इस टाइप का है, मतलब थोड़ा सा हैवी है इसका कंसिस्टेंसी. लेट मी जस्ट शो यू ऑन माय हैंड. सो इस टाइप का, बट इसका फ्रेग्रेंस इट स्मेल्स सो गुड, आई कैन नॉट टेल यू कैसा. बहुत अच्छा फ्रेग्रेंस है इसका और इस टाइप का कंसिस्टेंसी है, मतलब थोड़ा सा थिक है. बट हाँ, अगर आप रात में नाइट टाइम रूटीन में इसको इनकॉर्पोरेट करना चाहते हैं, इवन फॉर ऑयली स्किन पीपल, अगर आप नाइट टाइम रूटीन में इसको इनकॉर्पोरेट करना चाहते हैं देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन ट्राई दिस वन, बिकॉज रात में आई डोंट थिंक सो कि किसी को भी प्रॉब्लम इतनी होती होगी. एंड प्लस दिस वन इज़ ये बहुत महंगा है और ये उससे काफ़ी इनएक्सपेंसिव और चीप है, तो आप इसको ट्राई कर सकते हैं. सो ये सारे प्रोडक्ट वंडरिंग. Now this is like these are all the product I got from Nykaa, but there are few product I have tried from Myntra and Ajio, and there is one Instagram store which I have discovered recently, not recently, like 1 month back. So I have tried few products from these brands. So let me know in the comment section if you want to see that haul as well, because I have got a lot of products and I have got a lot of night suits actually, because अभी कुछ बाहर का ऐसे जा नहीं रहे हैं, ऑफिस नहीं जा रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो कुछ और तो हो नहीं रहे, तो इसलिए मैंने बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें मंगाई हैं. तो डू लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन what else you guys want to see on this channel, and I'll definitely make a video on that, and I love to see your suggestions. So yes, that is all for this video, and thank you so very much for watching this video.